Yeah, hello. Here we are creating a, a hierarchy chart with a work breakdown structure for the PMP certification. This is the WBS for PMP certification. And the first thing in the PMP certification is the 35. You have to get the 35 contact hours. And once that is obtained, the next step would be we have to apply for exam. Once that is done, the next step is prepare for exam. And the next one would be prepare for exam, and once you apply for the exam, if you're an application audit, application processing could be the application processing time is there. And once that is done, the next would be application processing, and the next one is schedule exam. And if the exam is scheduled, maybe we must write the exam. So this is level 0, this is level 1. Now for applying for exam, we have to fill up the application form. All those things are fine. So this is the first cut WBS here. And for 35 contact hours, even for that, we'll have to break that into multiple things. Identify trainer, identify training, then attend training. Identify trainer and attend training. So here I can yeah, that's not required. Let it go. Let this also go. I don't need that. I don't need this as well. Here all I need is here, this is a hierarchy here, this is a hierarchy here, and here there is an hierarchy. Here also there is an hierarchy. Here also there is an hierarchy. So here there is an hierarchy, here there is an hierarchy, here there is an hierarchy. Yeah, now identify training, attend training, apply for exam. I don't want to decompose it further. Prepare for exam. Yes, definitely we need to decompose. So to prepare for exam, we have to study the PMBOK, and then again we have to study the course material. And practice exam is a must, so we have to do the practice exams. Without practice exams, you should not go for the PMP. So here the hierarchy will be like this. Sorry. Now comes the application processing. Again, that is done by PMI, so we need not worry about it. And the scheduling exam is done by us at the nearest Prometric center. So that is fine. And writing the exam, again, I don't want to decompose it further. So here we are talking about level 0, level 1, and level 2. Two levels of a hierarchy diagram. Now let us estimate these. Now identify trainer. Let's say this takes let's say this takes 1 day. And attend training, let's say this takes 3 days. Apply for exam, let's say this takes 1 day. So here we are talking about effort, we are not talking about duration. Study PMBOK, when I say study, we'll have to read it at least 3 times. The first reading could be a very quick reading, the second reading a detailed reading, and the third reading just a quick revision. So here we are talking about a study PMBOK will take approximately maybe 30 hours. Yeah, maybe 30 hours is 3. It will take around 50 hours, let's say. And the course material revision, that is going to take, let's say, 20 hours. And the practice exams is something which you cannot dilute. So that is going to take, let's say, 10 hours. Practice exams we should do at least for 20 hours. And application processing is done by PMI, so that will take a sweet 10 days. 15 days is the time which is given by them, so that is 15 days. I want to convert all these things into days, which is easy. So here when I say read PMBOK is, let's say, 8 days of effort. Course material maybe another 5 days of effort. And practice exams, let's say it is another 10 days of effort. Schedule exam, let's say schedule exam, it's fine. So scheduling exam, I'll say it is 1 day of effort. And maybe write the exam will take another 1 day. So here we got a work breakdown structure, and if you see here, a work breakdown structure doesn't give you any sequence of events, and it doesn't give you the durations. All it gives is the effort required. So here if you see, now identify trainer is how much? 1 day. Now, what is the total effort for this project? That is 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18, 28, 29, 30, 45 days of effort. We'll have to spend approximately 45 days of effort to complete our PMP exam if we consider as a project. This may vary a little bit here and there, but then I think this is the most accurate. So without a work breakdown structure, we will not be able to achieve plus or minus 5% accuracy in our estimates. So once this much is done, the next step is decomposing these work packages into activities. So here what we are saying is again now this I for identifying trainer I'll have to maybe I can decompose it further into activities. That's like get the proposals, evaluate the trainer. So this may be another 5 activity. So this also can be another multiple activity. So this also can be decomposed further into activities. Right. So each of these work packages can be decomposed further into activities, and then their efforts can be estimated. So this